Emily was a young woman who loved traveling. One morning, she arrived at a large international airport in a new city. It was her first visit to the city, and she was excited to explore new places and meet new people. After getting off the airplane, Emily walked through the airport terminal. She followed the signs to the baggage claim area and waited for her suitcase. Many people were standing around her. Some were talking on their phones, while others were looking for their luggage. A few minutes later, Emily saw her blue suitcase on the conveyor belt. She picked it up and smiled. Everything had gone smoothly so far. After collecting her luggage, Emily walked toward the airport exit. She needed a taxi to take her to her hotel. Since it was her first time in the city, she was not sure where to find one. She approached an airport staff member. "Excuse me," Emily said politely. "Can you tell me where I can get a taxi?" "Of course," the staff member replied. "You can find the taxi stand outside gate 3. "Thank you very much," Emily said. "You're welcome. Have a great stay in our city," the staff member answered. Emily followed the signs to gate 3. When she reached the taxi stand, she saw a long line of clean taxis waiting for passengers. A taxi driver stepped forward and greeted her. "Good morning, madam. Do you need a taxi?" "Yes, please," Emily replied. "Where would you like to go?" "Hell." "Certainly. Please put your luggage in the trunk and have a seat." Emily placed her suitcase in the trunk and got into the back seat of the taxi. The driver started the car and drove away from the airport. "My name is Raj," the driver said with a friendly smile. "Nice to meet you, Raj. My name is Emily." "Nice to meet you too, Emily. Is this your first visit to our city?" "Yes, it is." "Welcome. I hope you enjoy your time here." "Thank you. I'm sure I will." As they drove along the highway, Emily looked out of the window. She saw tall buildings, green parks, busy streets, and many people walking around. "This city looks beautiful," she said. "It is," Raj replied. "Many tourists visit every year." "That's wonderful." After a few minutes, Emily asked, "How long will it take to reach the hotel?" "About 30 minutes, depending on traffic." "That sounds good." Raj continued driving carefully. "What brings you to the city?" he asked. "I'm here for a business conference," Emily answered. "That sounds interesting." "Yes, the conference starts tomorrow, but I arrived today so I can relax and explore a little." "That's a good idea," Raj said. Emily smiled. As they continued their journey, Raj pointed out several famous places. "That building on the left is the City Museum." "It looks impressive," Emily said. "And on the right, you can see the Central Park. Many people come here for morning walks." "I would love to visit it." "You should. It's very peaceful." A little later, traffic became heavy. "There seems to be a lot of traffic," Emily said. "Yes," Raj replied. "This area is always busy during the day." "That's okay. I'm not in a hurry." While waiting in traffic, they continued talking. What do you do for work? Raj asked. I work as a marketing manager for an international company. That sounds like an important job. It keeps me busy, but I enjoy it. That's great. After some time, the traffic started moving again. Soon they entered the city center. Emily was amazed by the tall buildings and bright signs. There is so much to see, she said. Yes, Raj agreed. The city is full of life. As they approached the hotel, Emily checked her phone and sent a message to her family. I arrived safely, she wrote. Her family quickly replied and wished her a pleasant trip. A few minutes later, Raj slowed down the taxi. We are almost at City Hotel, he said. Emily looked ahead and saw a beautiful building. The hotel looks wonderful, she said. It is one of the best hotels in the city. The taxi stopped in front of the entrance. We have arrived, Raj said. Thank you very much for the ride, Emily replied. You're welcome. How much is the fare? The fare is 500 rupees. Emily paid the fare and gave him a small tip. Thank you, Raj said happily. You are welcome. Thank you for your help and for telling me about the city. It was my pleasure. Emily took her suitcase from the trunk. I hope you enjoy your stay, Raj said. I'm sure I will. Have a wonderful day. You too. Emily entered the hotel and checked in at the reception desk. The receptionist greeted her warmly. Welcome to City Hotel. Thank you. I have a reservation under the name Emily Johnson. The receptionist checked the computer. Yes, Ms. Johnson, your room is ready. Great. The receptionist handed her the room key. Your room is on the 8th floor. Thank you. Emily took the elevator to her room. When she opened the door, she found a clean and comfortable room with a beautiful city view. She placed her suitcase near the bed and looked.